Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. And today's tutorial is based on how to reset card pin on DBS account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as correctly. So before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection. First of all, you'll have to log in into your account. So you can either use a touch face ID or Digibank user ID and PIN in order to log in into your account. And after you're logged into your account, on the other page, tap on more in the bottom right corner of your screen. As soon as you tap on more, next page you have a multiple option under manage card and loans. So then you'll have to tap on reset card pin in the top left corner of your screen. As you tap on reset card pin, next you'll have to select the card that you want to reset your pin on. After you're done selecting the card, next create a new pin, and in order to confirm, you'll have to retype your pin. And once you're done, tap on change pin, which is right at the bottom. And then on the last interface, you'll be notified that you've successfully reset your card pin on DBS application. So that is how you can change your card pin on DBS account. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.